So, December pa dapat na-extend ka pa. So, extend na lang natin ulit. But anyway, ilan years ka na sa Japan?
Sir, ano po, 25 sa regular, tapos nag-3 years ako sa agency.
Wow. So anyway, si Joel naman naging fixture na sa atin for how many years. Pampasok mo lagi sa pintuan na dyan si Joel. So, other than yung ginawa ni Joel sa Palco and the group, we'd like to thank yung ginawa ni Joel for the family. Marami din siyang mga other assignments na para kay OCA, kay RCA. Ganyan. So, we would like to express our sincere thanks sa lahat ng ginawa niyo. Joel is a symbol of what our RCA, PCA, and OCA has always espoused, integrity sa work. Joel was someone that we could fully trust with other than the work na ginawa niya on official work, yung mga personal sa family na we entrusted to Joel. So, thank you very much. We will miss you, of course. Pero may Cebu office ang SESCO, so kay Joel, thank you very much for all the years of work, service, and friendship mo sa office. We will miss you, but sabi ni Nilda and Mace, this is a new chapter in your life, and we wish nothing but the best for you in terms of happiness and health. So, Joel, thank you very much.
Salamat po, Sir Mochi. Okay, habang hinihintay pa po natin